Soundboards, Storytelling with Sound Effects by ELT Creatives. Sounds can tell a story just as vividly as pictures, leaving plenty of room for imagination. As a classroom aid, sounds are authentic, engaging, multisensory, and highly effective. They captivate attention, stimulate multiple senses, and provide real-world context for better comprehension and retention. In classrooms, teachers usually create and share sound stories using a set of sound effects. To give students more control, you can use a soundboard with different sounds for a specific topic, allowing them to create their own sequences and stories. Here's an example of a soundboard for travel and adventure stories. Students can go online to choose different sound effects by pressing buttons. You can also create your own soundboard using Google or PowerPoint slides.
One final call for passenger remaining and unforgettable travel to be done on BA 572. Please see the invitation to gate A now.
Where can you find sound effects? I use Freesound and Sound Bible for free human sound effects. You can also try sound effects generators such as 11 Labs. It's sometimes exactly what you need. Here are 4 classroom storytelling activities with the soundboard. Activity 1. Individual sound effects. Play a sound and have learners describe the situation, where they are, what they're doing, who they're with, and so on. Activity 2. Guided storytelling. Play the sequence of sounds one by one and ask learners questions after you have played a sound effect. For example, listen to the following sound. Before leaving, you do one last check to make sure you have everything you need. What do you check? Activity 3. Story writing with your sound sequence. Play a sequence of sounds and have students create their own stories based on what they hear. You can check out an example of such a sound story on our channel, Sounds Like a Story. See the link in the description. Activity 4. Story planning and telling. Have students select their sounds and plan and tell their stories using the chosen sound effects. See detailed steps, tips, and additional resources in the accompanying blog posts on ELTcation. Check the links in the description for more information. Please subscribe to our channel ELT Creatives and happy teaching and learning.